Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie, and today we're going to be cutting Samuel's hair. He's been growing out his hair for quite some time, and we just cannot get past all the tangles. I already did an undershave for him, and he's just having a hard time keeping up with it and taking care of it. So today we've decided to cut his hair. So just to throw out a disclaimer, like I always try to do, I do not cut hair for a living. It is not my profession. I just do it as a stay-at-home mom as a way to save money.
I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice.
So I'm starting with the number 1 guard, the shortest guard that I have, and I'm going from the nape of his neck up to the tops of his ears, and then going all around his head evenly. Now I'm switching to the number 2 guard, and I'm going to go through all the rest of the hair and trim that up.
A picture of you, a picture of you, a picture of you.
So after that big chop, I'm now evening it out by pulling it up towards the ceiling with my 2 fingers and cutting along that line. And I will take the part that I just cut with a longer piece that I have not, and then cut it straight across to make sure it's nice and even. And then I pull it down and make sure it's even that way as well.
A picture of you, 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 a picture of you.
So to ensure I get it as even as possible, I'm going to comb it to one side and then the other side and trim up those bits that are longer than the other. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not already, please subscribe, and we'll see you for my next video. Bye guys!